So how can you give apps the access to the photos on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. And if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so at first you have to open up your main settings app inside of which you go to the privacy and security section like that. And there you can manage like your location, tracking, and all that kind of thing. But below we also have the photos access. So there you get to decide which applications can access your photos. For example, like photos, photo editors, video editors, social media, all of that apps probably asked you if you want to give it access. And whether or not you allowed it or not, the app is going to be part of this list. Only the toggle is like the variable here. So you can see that you can, for example, open up an app like this, and you usually have like three options because you can choose no access to the photos or full access. And the in-between option is limited access. So when you tap on limited access, you basically just go through your library and choose only the photos which you want the app to have access to. That is useful, as I said, if you want, for example, publish only certain photos on the social media app, or if you're using a video editor and only certain parts or certain clips are supposed to be edited through the app, so the app doesn't need more access, right? So it depends on the app, it depends on your use case, but this is where you can manage it all. So let me know if you managed to find it. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.